Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel tailor. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to see which time your maximum viewers are active on your YouTube channel. Friends, if you have YouTube channel, you should know this topic because you should upload your video on the time to get more viewers, more subscribers, right? To get more benefit. So friends, it's an easy step to know. So you have to know by your mobile or you have to know by your laptop or computer. So let's jump on it. Friends, to know the settings, first you have to come to your computer, right? Then you have to click on your channel logo. After that, you have to go on YouTube Studio. It's loading, my friends. You have to wait a few seconds here. After that, you have to click on Analytics. If you come in this interface, then you have to go on Audience. So click on Audience at the top. Then simply you have to scroll down slowly and see there is a graph when your viewers are on. Friends, there is some blur purple sun, right? And some are more clear purple color. If you see the more clear purple color, on that time you have to understand that your viewers are more active at this time. So if you upload your video at this time, you will get more viewers, more subscribers, more likes, more comments, right? So, I want to say you will get more engagement on your video. So you should upload your video on this time. So this is the benefit to know when your viewers are more active on your YouTube channel. Friends, some of the channels will not get these options because you have to fill up this criteria to get these options. The criteria is your YouTube channel should be 2 months old and your YouTube channel should be 20 subscribers at least. And also your YouTube channel should get at least per day 50 views. If you fill up this criteria, you will be eligible to get these options. If you are not capable to fill up this criteria, you will not get this option, my friends. So I'll go to another channel. This is my another channel, my friends. So you have to click on here on the logo. Then you have to click on YouTube Studio. I will have that graph on my channel. Like if you fill up all the criteria, so how will you apply to YouTube Studio to get these options? So go to Analytics like before. Then you have to go on Audience. After that, you have to scroll down slowly. Then you'll find here when your viewers are on YouTube, right? There's no graph. So for this, to apply this for the graph, if you fill up that criteria, then you have to click on the logo at the right top side. Then you have to click on Send Feedback. You have to wait a few seconds. Then this interface you can see. You can write here like this. Dear YouTube Studio team, my channel has 2 months old and also my channel is getting more than 50 viewers per day, right? But when your viewers are on YouTube, feature is not available in my YouTube Studio. Please, if possible, enable this feature on my YouTube channel, right? So I can give thanks at last. So friends, you can write like this, otherwise you can customize as you said. After that, simply have to click on Send. Then YouTube team will review your applications. If you are eligible to get this feature, they will add it to your YouTube channel. Otherwise, they will send in like you are not capable to get this feature at this time, right? So friends, like this you can apply if you don't have. Like if you have this feature, you can see from where you can see when your maximum viewers are active on your YouTube channel. So that's all, my friends. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching.